Hey, this is Byron. I've been making and breaking stuff all my life. And you know, I'm always looking for that next thing to get into that looks interesting. I think I got something here. All right, so I haven't been making very many videos lately, but I found something kind of cool. I gotta show you guys. So come on, check this out. Hey Brian, I think I figured out the back door into the hack lab.